If you're a technician or a contractor that's already following industry best practices, then not much really needs to change in your day-to-day. However, there are some updates that we do need to be aware of as we transition to these A2l refrigerants.
Tony Gonzalez from Fieldpiece. How are you, my friend?
Clifton, the man, the myth, the legend, how are you?
I don't know about that, but I'm having a good time hanging out with you.
Absolutely.
We've been working on an A2l installation. We have a two-stage, high-efficiency, dual-fuel heat pump application. It is an A2l system, and so you've joined us to help talk about best practices and tools for working with an A2l system. Can you discuss a little bit with our audience what it means to be an A2l technician?
Yeah, so at a very high level, the good thing is if you're a technician or a contractor that's already following industry best practices, then not much really needs to change in your day-to-day. However, there are some updates that we do need to be aware of as we transition to these A2l refrigerants, right?
Agree.
So in terms of best practices, things that were previously recommended are now required.
Sure.
Like a nitrogen pressure test to confirm there's no leaks, pulling the proper vacuum. And in addition to that, there are updated regulations to make sure that the tools that we use in the field are also compatible with the new Class A2l refrigerants.
Exactly. And so we're going to be utilizing our A2l compatible products for this job. We're going to walk through some best practices and principles, and I encourage everyone to learn more. Fieldpiece has some fantastic resources on the A2l compatible tools. Tony, where can we find out more information about A2l compatible Fieldpiece tools?
So number one, you can go to fieldpiece.com.
Okay.
That is our website.
Yeah.
Follow us on social media at Fieldpiece Products are the best resources for that.
Fantastic. Thank you.